help create the whole child. Of the educational styles, I think it's the best. That being said, I'm still not sure if organized schooling is right for kids or not. Because right now we have one kid I'm homeschooling because he doesn't have enough kids in his class for the Waldorf. Like there just aren't kids. He doesn't have a class there. But the other two are Waldorf. Waldorf's the best by far if you're going to go to a school. I'm on the fence about which is better or worse.
So all of your children are out of the public schools?
Oh, never went into public schools. My man, I don't hate my kids. I'm never going to send them to public schools. And
that raises a philosophical, and I want to put this to the President of the United States
right.
with a message I think is relevant to you, which is that those are not your kids, actually. Here he is.
Rebecca put a teacher's creed into words when she said, there's no such thing as someone else's child. No such thing as someone else's child. Our nation's children are all our children.
So your kids are really his kids. He owns your kids.
It's like when people say, I'm coming to take your guns. Like, well, stack up and come get them. Same with kids. No, those are my kids. And those children are mine and my wife's. Now, I will say, let's give it a very judicious interpretation. If what he means, and I don't think this is what he means, but if what he means is, I don't own my children like they're chattel or slaves, that they are independent beings and my job is to steward them. Totally agree. Totally on board.
Yes.
In no way, shape, or form do I think my kids should live their lives based on what I want. They should live it on what they want. Totally on board. I see my job is to help them become full people and find the lives they want. I don't think that's what he means. I think what he means is the very typical bureaucratic, it's really a communist Marxist idea that children are the property of the state, that the citizens are the property of the state. That is.
And you disagree with that?
Disagreement's not strong enough.
It's not.
It's not a strong enough term.